Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can create a AWS instance or how you can create a server. So let's get started with the video. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. So guys, basically this is I've already logged in into my AWS account and you will able to see services here, and on the services you will have to go to EC2. You can see here EC2, just tap on it and you will be here, and after selection you will able to see all these options here: instance, elastic IP, key pairs, and all this. Before that, if you are from India and you want to create or you want to run your server in India, then you can select the region as Singapore, because Singapore is nearest and fastest server. So I have already set it to Singapore and I will just go to my instance, and you will able to see there is no running instance for now, and I want to create a new instance. So how I will do that, you will able to see a launch instance button with orange color here on the right top. Just tap on it, and then after that you will able to see all the OS versions here, and I will be selecting Ubuntu 16, which is eligible for free tier. I'll just go and select eligible for free tier, and you can see here it is eligible for free tier. So I'll just select this and you will able to see here T2 micro. I'm selecting T2 micro. You have to go to add storage next, and then you will have to select this kind of like root, how much space you want to set for the root access. So I'm selecting at 8 GB, or you can increase it if you want, and I'll just click on next, add text. So here I don't want to add any text here for now, so I'll just go to security group, and here you will able to see all the ports. Like if you require any port, you can just add the rule and set it to, like, let's say HTTP, and then I want to use as SMTP also. SSH is already there. SMTP I want to use POP3 IMAP. So source from, it will be from anywhere. HTTP will be from anywhere. I will set it all to anywhere, because this should be accessible from any of the, anything else is not required I think for now. So I'll just remove this one, and I'll just review this, and I will just launch the instance here. Now it is asking me for generating a key pair, that is also known as PEM file. So I will just create a new PEM file with the name BSE or whatever you want to name it as. Okay guys, so I am naming it as BSE underscore new. I'll just click on download key pair, and make sure you save this file at different places where later on, because you won't be able to download this key again. So just make sure you make a save it at a in a safest place. I'll just launch the instance now, and you can see here your instance are launching. You can see here, and then I will just go to view instance here. So you can see here the status is right now pending. So you will have to wait for few seconds or few minutes, and you will able to see it's running now. So guys, once you can see this is in running, the instance is running, you have to just select it, and once you select your instance, you will able to see the IP and all those things. I'll just copy this because I will require this to set up the server. This is my fresh server now, and if I want to open this server here, it will show nothing because it is right now blank server here. So guys, that's all for today's video. I have showed you how to create an instance or how to create a fresh server on AWS. So thanks for watching this video, and in the next video I will be showing you how you can set up the fresh database, how you can install PHP and all required things on a server. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.